Okay, cool, guys. We will start today's class. Today's class is basically on EMA, which is very important for you to take trades in a live market. अभी क्या होता है in this chart, in 4 hours chart of Nifty, you understand how to find a base, how to find a trend line, how to understand the CPR points, how to understand the RSI integrity. Now you know all these basics. Now let's go to another very technical parameter. Technical analysis में this particular EMA will take a bigger role. मैंने एक EMA के बारे में ही एक पुराने 2 साल पहले एक वीडियो बनाया था. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट EMA इन अ वेरी डेप्थ. मैं वो भी आपको शेयर कर लूंगा आफ्टर सम टाइम. आफ्टर दिस ये वीडियो के साथ वो भी शेयर कर लूंगा, सो यू कैन watch that as well. That is in very in detail video. So आप उस वो भी एक बार देख सकते हो. Now, what is EMA? EMA is basically moving average. So moving average में there are different type of moving average. One is EMA, SMA, DMA. There are many multiple moving average. What is moving average? If you are looking at the price, moving price is moving, and that average price that will become as a moving average. So in this MA, moving average में, when we are looking at the SMA is basically simple moving average, which is okay. That is also good. And what we use, mostly technical traders use EMA. EMA is something called exponential moving average, which is more accurate than your other EMS. For that, what you need to do, I already added this. So you can add these two indicators called EMA two times. EMA. एक का setting you can see here. First setting should be length should be 50. Source should be closed. Offset 0. EMA type smoothing में EMA ले लो. Length should be 14 and don't do any other changes. This is for EMA 1, which is EMA 50. Another EMA is 100. इसमें क्या changes है? In this source should be EMA. Source should be EMA. So do change to EMA for 100. Whenever you're doing this, I put these colors for my understanding. So this is basically when I click this is my EMA 50 and this is my EMA 100. अभी whenever I'm opening in a weekly time frame of Nifty, अभी मैं EMA तो ऐड कर चुका हूँ. So I'll get something like this chart. Okay. Sorry for the background voice. बहुत कुत्ते हैं रोड में, so okay. And if you can see my screen, anybody can confirm, please. Ajit ji or Nagaraj, hope you can see the screen
Yes,
and
visible,
EMA.
visible. Yes, visible, bro.
Okay, perfect. So this is basically 50 EMA. This is basically 100 EMA. Now, how we will differentiate between market is bearish or bullish? Now, see, on a 50 EMA, stock or a Nifty index never came down. So you're observing this. It was always above 50 EMA. Even on election results day, see, this drop came on 3rd June. 4th June was the election results. 3rd June was this thing. Exactly, a stock retested the EMA and took EMA as a support, which is moving average 50. So there was no panic and nothing happened. Even on this day, when market crashed on October 2023, the last to last year, after that bull run started, here also stock or a index tested EMA 50. What is happening here? Last 4 5 weeks ago, like November, May, last 4 5 months ago, this is a weekly time frame. Here also it took a moving average 50 as a support. What is happening now? Last week it broke. Last 1 2 3 weeks, it was trading below moving average 50. So that was a dangerous point where you will not do any positions in your stocks. That is why we were saying sit on cash, because it is very risky. Now, what is happening in today's current scenario? This is current week, which is almost 2 to 3 days over this week. Stock or index is trading on moving average 50. So for the bullish movement, we need a closure candle above moving average 50 in a weekly time frame. Now let me come back to daily time frame. So in a daily time frame, still Nifty is below moving average 50. So this is basically your moving average 100. This is moving average 50. So moving average 100 तो very far है, because see when drop came in a daily time frame, this was the very bearish moment where crossover happened on a EMA crossover. So when this crossover happened, this was a selling day, 24,034. This level was a selling. If you're trading with the future and options, if you're trading a Nifty monthly expiry or future a lot, you can short here Nifty. And how much movement came if you are trailing to the top? This is around 5%, which is around 1,200 points down in 21 days. If you're trading only in a future or monthly expiry. What is happening today? See, yesterday's candle, still we didn't say market is bullish, right? Yesterday it was a very good, some 300 points, 350 points movement came in the market, but it is still ranging within moving average 50. It is not yet closed moving average 50. So once it is closing moving average 50, where it will go, it has to touch moving average 100. So till this zone, it is scalping zone. You can't go with the bigger position sizing within this zone. Once this zone is crossed, that is a confirmation that okay, now market is stable. So the first level is around 24,185, which is around now more 1,000 points, I guess, from here, around 400, 500 points. So this is what EMA works. Now I'll show you another thing. Let me open 4 hours, smaller time frame. Sorry, little slow. Okay, Nagaraj, I guess now I am audible, right? Because it went with the internet. Hello, audible?
Audible, sir, audible.
Okay. In बीच में कहाँ कट हो गया? If you can tell me, so I can repeat from there.
4 hour खोल लेते सर आप.
Okay, okay. So let me open for us. So in between एक बार वो इंटरनेट चला गया था, पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है. So let me check now. 4 hours is also not opening. Maybe trading view went slow. So you can add these two settings till the time I'll restart my trading view. ये सेटिंग करके देखो, so automatically you can okay, I think now it is visible. 4 hours, correct? This is 4 hours. Rajit ji, confirm? Yeah, 4 hours.
Confirm.
Okay. So this is 4 hours basically. 4 hours में क्या हुआ? On 9:15 morning, कल, which is 4th Feb, कल सुबह देखो 4 hours में you got a closing above. Hi Mastan, thank you for joining. So at morning, it is around 9:15. See this candle, you got a beautiful candle closing above moving average EMA 50. So this was your entry point for trade. Mastan, can you mute? Okay. So around 285 points yesterday, it gave a rally. This is two 4 hours candles. And today, both 4 hours got a rejection at the top, but it didn't touch this. So technically, what happens whenever you're using a moving average, any crossover happens, it has to touch and come back. But yeah, market was dull and that didn't happen. So 4 hours, yesterday you got the confirmation. Today there was no confirmation in 4 hours. Let me open 30 minutes time frame with the same EMA. Now in a 30 minutes time frame, this is again yesterday's candle, which is trading above 50. Moving average 100 is here. And you got amazing setup for the positional trading. In this zone, what you need to do, use your another other skills of price action, where this point yesterday you had an entry. This was your first exit because there was a resistance of 30 minutes stage. So you got a good rally of this number, which is around 200 points in Nifty, which is very good money if you're trading options. So we will go back to that later. So 200 points is very good. After that, see what happens. Range bound. This is today's candles. Now let's open 15 minutes. I'm breaking down to small time frames to show you how EMA works differently. Now in a 15 minutes, it's the same chart. It's today's 15 minutes entire day is a range bound and gave a drop, but drop was not till EMA 50. Now let me show you 5 minutes chart. See, this is 5 minute chart. What exactly happened for an intraday 5 minute chart? If you're using ORB also, you didn't had any chance today to trade in Nifty. That is why we only traded one Nifty today, which is a PE. After this, CE got backlash. So this was your ORB. So whole day there was no setup in ORB. While you're using ORB, if you're using along with the EMA, in this, see, EMA exactly worked as per the plan. It gave a solid support on this particular stock. Around 255, which is 3 o'clock moment, it suddenly gave a good drop around 23,729 to 697 or 681, around 50 points. Let me check. Yeah, around 53 points. 53 points drop came. But you can't trade this. But this was a confirmation. Nifty or a stock is moving towards moving average 100 to take a support in intraday levels. Now I'll show you. Itna samajh mein aaya? So if you can say this, I will change EMA and I'll show you. Ajit, Nagraj. Hello.
Yeah, bro. But this will applicable to the stock also, or only
Yeah.
for the
Everything. So I'll just show you the stock.
Okay.
Mm, Any random stock with, okay, let's go with the Davis Lab. It is in a 5 minutes time frame. Davis Lab का 5 minutes time frame. See, CMA crossover, superb rally, and full day on EMA. It was ranging out. This is yesterday. Before that day, see, this was a rally. I think that day I had given this Davis Lab. You guys remember? Ajit ji, you remember? 11% more in 2 sessions. Nagaraj, this is applicable for everything. See, I am showing Nifty chart for because it's easy to understand. For practicing, if you don't if you're not trading in Nifty, then of course every the concept or setup is same for everything. So there is no changes in the technical parameters because we are learning technical analysis.
Noted, bro.
Yeah. Now see, I'll show you something. Now 100 EMA is not required for me to trade in daily. So what I'll do, I'll change this to 21. Let's see what will happen. Yes. So this is now your 50. This now you become 21. Now 50 ka I will change to 9 and see what will happen. Good. I got now 9 and 21. Basically, this 9 and 21s are used for intraday trading. Now I'll remove 21. I'll use only 9. or I'll remove 9, I'll use only 21. Depends on my interest. Now see, बहुत लोग क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं in trailing the stop loss. How to set the stop loss? That is what is the point for everyone. Now this is moving average 21. Now this is 1 minute. This is your yesterday's candle. Okay, your ORB 5 minutes top, 5 minutes low, along with the EMA. Now you are trading. You might have entered this, but this is wrong entry from a ORB perspective because this was a green candle, not a closing now, and it is on EMA. So basically, this is on EMA. This is point number one. Now, when you're learning EMA, this is another confirmation for you to manage the trade, particularly when you're taking a setup with 100% confidence. Abhi dekho, you know ORB. That is a very simple step. Now, technically, you are going to trade with the sure short levels. Now, what you need to do along with the ORB, you activate your EMAs. Now, it is the EMA 21. It is not closed above or below EMA. That is the first confirmation. If you are using 9, even 9 is also not closed or below or above. अभी क्या होता है? Now you got an entry here because this is a green candle. You got the entry here. Same ORB setup. This is your SL, correct? In between the ribbon. What time you got the entry? You got the entry at 11:35. Okay, let me mark SL also. This is somewhere around here is your SL. I'll change the color for SL for your easy understanding. Okay, this is your SL. Now, how to trail this? Okay, entry तो ले लिया. You got the entry here. Entry तो मिल गया इधर. अभी SL कहाँ है? SL है इधर, which is around 28 points in Nifty, which is good SL. Now, how to trail? Now, you had opportunity till this, which is around 221 points. I am sure that nobody can manage 221 points in a same day. Now, the best part, when EMA moves, your SL also moves. Your SL also. So, SL was here. It gave a breakout here on ORB, consolidated. Still, SL was not triggered. Gave another closing. Up, going up. When it is going here, this will become your SL, correct? That was what you learned. So your entry point will become your SL. Then your SL moves. The EMA is around 23,551. EMA is around 23,572. EMA is here. In this zone, your SL will get triggered because if you are following EMA as SL, how much you still made 100 points rally. But yeah, if you wanted to exit here, that is 171 points rally because most people will exit here around 100 points because this confidence will not come because your EMA one is supporting plus your Liga will say something which is a added advantage for you. Now let's see a stock in the same formation. Which stock you want to see, guys? You tell me, I'll show you.
Bro, one doubt here.
Hmm.
So this EMI and CPR EMI is different.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
well,
because
in CPR also EMI is there.
no, CPR EMI also you can use. I will come to that point. A very good question. Now,
Okay.
this is only for the CPR. Now, see, once you add more indicators, you will get confused.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. So,
Correct.
technical
Mm.
parameters, see, Liga or a CPR will never come as a technical parameter when you're analyzing a stock.
Okay.
Okay, it is what is a cheat code. In a games,
Mm-hmm.
use as a cheat code because 99% people don't know how to trade in CPR.
Okay.
The CPR is only traded by me because I have used CPR as my parameter. But yeah, that is only for the targets perspective, not for a trailing perspective.
Okay.
So CPR is for a confirmation on that trade. I will open the CPR also and I'll show you now. So that is
Okay.
a confirmation for us. But here, what is happening? EMA, why you need to learn? EMA will work exactly for your trailings. In a scanner, you got the stock. Now,
Mm-hmm.
in a Liga, you got the targets. Now you have the SL. So either SL or target. Now, how to trail?
Okay.
Your target might have touched and it came back, or your SL might have got triggered. There is in a CPR, there is only two possibilities, either target or SL, correct?
Correct.
There is no something that there is something called trailing. How to trail and keep adding the profits to your bucket. That is not there. That is
Correct.
missing. But in EMA, whenever you're learning this, EMA will help you to keep trailing your profit. Let's open LTIM. Today's trade, correct? One was the best trade for today. So around 100 points what we got in that trade. So morning around this breakout, I had given this trade, correct? If anybody can check what time I have given that trade, so you can let me know. Let me also open and see what time I had given that trade in the morning. See, I gave trade at exact 9:27 a.m. Correct? Hello.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Okay, I thought everybody's sleeping.
No,
Okay.
no. Yes.
9:27 I had given this trade when I got the closing on this candle. This is 9:25th candle. This is 9:30 candle. So this
Mm.
closing on EMA, we got this trade. So trade was from here. First target happened within like 10-20 minutes, correct? It ran up. It came back. Many people either exited here or exited here by fear. But my SL was here. It is above my buy price. Again gave another rally. One would have exited here as per the Liga. Here, Nagaraj, your question is answered. You will have a Liga
Mm-hmm.
targets. Now you want to trail. Again, this place I got stop loss trigger. Still it is 80 points, which is 1.35%. Means around 100 points rally in options.
Mm-hmm.
Still, you wanted to take a little bigger risk and you want to trail moving average ka bottom band. Still, you would have hold it. But yeah, nobody will do that because psychology play a lot of role here because this up and down, you will end up exiting somewhere here because of the fear. Now, let me add EMA 21. EMA 9, sorry. If you are taking EMA 9, it is only for the fast scalpers. It works better because smaller EMA works better in a smaller time frame. So this is basically a 3 minutes time frame. See, 3 minutes time frame, you enter here, you exit here, stop loss is here, triggered, came down, you will wait, got a entry again, enter here, exit here, stop loss triggered, again entry here, exit here, stop loss triggered. This is for a faster trade setup. Now, if I'm opening in a 1 minute time frame, this is again more faster. See, this is 1 minute time frame. But yeah, don't do that. Just start trading with EMA 21 in 5 minutes time frame. Don't open 9. Once we start options and understanding the option geeks, we will go to the 1 minute time frame. That might take more 1 or 2 months to reach that stage. But yeah, right now you start with this.
Okay.
Okay, there is a clear EMA class. I will send that also after this class so you can learn more. So this is how EMA works. Now you ask your questions, I'll help you to understand.
So now this particular trade, bro, closed below the EMI, below the
Yes,
21 EMI.
correct.
So that means tomorrow this market will may come down or how? We can we can predict tomorrow's market by this EMIs.
Yes. You're looking at a 5 minutes time frame and EMA 21, which is for intraday.
Okay.
Now you need to change the setting. I'll keep it 100 and I'll make this 50 and I'll activate both. This is in a daily time frame. Now you tell me what is tomorrow.
It's in the middle of the EMI.
Yes, so you need a candle starting somewhere here tomorrow or
Okay.
anywhere above this EMS. One
Okay.
closing candle is required.
Okay.
Then you can take a bullish momentum. But right now it is on the EMA.
Correct.
So positional trade you can't take. Like a swing trade, you can't enter in this as an option when
Mm-hmm.
it's doing option trading or a swing trading because it is
Correct.
sitting on EMA. But in a 15 minutes or a 5 minutes, when you're changing the settings, you had opportunities. Now, if you're looking at the 5 minutes chart in a 50 EMA, still it is
It's
above.
about
Yeah, it is still
above.
above 50. So where it is a good opportunity. Still, it is not given a closing below 50 in an intraday.
But
And
in this scenario, bro, whether we should take trade or no.
no, you already took a
See, if
trade
I look
there.
at 15 minutes, 15 minutes it is in the middle of the EMI.
1 minute.
It's a confusing. Whether yeah.
This is 15 minutes. Which one you are saying?
No, there was a day frame or something was there. Na? Day
See, for an intraday, you need to use moving average 21 only.
21. Okay. And
When you are
time frame, bro.
within 15 minutes, 15 and 5. Now, if I
15
move
and
to 5 minutes, this is moving average 21. You got the amazing trade here.
correct.
If you are looking at the ORB also, in the ORB 5, 10, 15, you got the trade at 10:30.
Mm-hmm.
But I got a trade based on the EMA at this place. If you're considering this setup, your SL would have not triggered till 3:30. Still you're 113 points up.
Mm.
If you're trading with the Liga, you would have made 186 points.
Mm.
Getting my point?
Yeah, got it, bro.
Just need practice. Now I'm introducing EMA because now you know the base, how to find a base, how to check
Correct.
the trend line, how to mark levels, how to check the Liga. Now in a free version, you can't add all the things. So what you need to do, open Liga first, mark levels as per the Liga if you want to know the targets. Then you remove that indicator, come back to the EMA and check with the RSI what is happening. So you will understand it better, which is faster. Ajit ji, any question?
And bro, this intraday scanner is there, right?
Yes.
So whenever I check now, it will be in the top resistant. It will be always in the top only resistant area.
Correct.
So so what happened? I'll be confused whether I need to buy or I need to sell.
That intraday scanner will work
Huh.
only on a bull market.
Okay.
Yeah. It was a free scanner for everyone in a Diwali time, which I had shared to every premium members. So it is basically a 9 to 9:45 you need to scan. You need to manually
Okay.
understand which stock, whichever have a potential, because it's a basically UC scanner. So that particular stock, either it will be in UC or they will hit UC. So the probability 5 to 6% will be there always. The better upper side.
And most of the stocks will not be eligibility for that intraday itself.
Correct. Because it's not a bull market now.
Okay.
Because in bull market, you will get more volumes.
So that means we need to see only swing trade only.
Yeah. Swing and breakout is the key.
Okay.
Yeah.
And even in F&O breakouts, even
Hmm.
that also it will be in the resistant only.
Which F&O breakout? There are two
Uh,
F&Os.
oh, 1 second. I will open it. RP09, Ragas Pro F&O breakout 2.0.
Correct. You missed the class then. I told you that is only for the scalp. That is not the swing F&O.
Yeah, it will be in the resistant when the stocks comes into that scanner, right? It will
Hmm.
be in the resistant only.
Which one? You do the live trading tomorrow and show me.
Ah, okay, bro.
Which stock? You tell me one stock.
Uh, I think today it was not there much in that.
It was there today around 8, 9 stocks were there.
Yes. See, example, RBI Bank Limited, RBL,
1 minute. Let me open the scanner.
or else we can take UPL Limited also.
Why you're taking UPL? There is RBI IndusInd Bank is there. Laurus Lab is there. You have to see
Even
the
Bajaj Finance.
maximum volume, right? Whenever you're
Yes.
using the scanner. Okay, which one you
Uh,
want to
uh,
see?
okay, bro, I want to know
Now,
what
which one
is
you
the
want to see?
volume
First, let's close that question.
RBL.
RBL.
Hmm.
What time you saw this stock?
This I have seen
You need to tell me the exact time.
mm, maybe around 11:30, I guess.
11:30. Okay. Wait. Let me open Liga setup. 11:30 RBL Bank, right? Let's see. Very slow nowadays trading view. I don't know why. It was very fast. Most of the people are using, I
Yeah,
guess.
sometimes it will get hang, bro. By seeing this, I will be execute my orders. Then it will show different.
Yeah. It was not like this before. I don't know what happened to them. Suddenly everything was perfect. Where is RBL Bank? Okay, here. That is in a day view. Wait. In laptop it is slow. In phone it is very fast. Okay, RBL Bank 11:30 you saw, right? Because as per me, when you're using 2.0 scanner, that is purely for scalping, which I made it very clear when I had that class, which all scanners we were using, especially when you're doing a F&O.
Hmm. But see, F&O breakup means see, usually you'll be more of CE side, right? So whenever I see that
What is
scanner,
difference? There's no C side or P side. F&O is
uh,
F&O. You have to go with as per the levels.
okay,
There is no C side or P side. It is a breakout.
correct,
It is given a breakout. Now, breakout might fail also. You saw it 11:30, right?
correct.
Let's see 11:30. Around this place. I don't think so. 11:30, you got it in the scanner.
No, today fifth, na.
Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm in 15 minutes time frame. Now I'll go to 5 minutes. 11:30 was not possible as per me because it was in a range mode. Okay, anyways, let's see.
So what happened now? Whenever I see that stocks now, it will be exactly with the CPR level. So I'll be confused whether I need to take C or put.
It was in a range. See, there was
Yeah,
another.
that is one.
Yeah, yeah, correct. Then you will not trade. No, simple.
Hmm.
On what basis you trade options? Okay, it came in a scanner. Now what next?
That will mark the levels and trend line and all.
Okay, on what basis you enter C or P?
That is what I am not aware.
Then why you are confused?
So if it is F, I mean breakout means for me it's like going up.
Correct. Then what
Uh,
strike you need to choose? Why you are choosing the strike? And on what basis you are taking C or P? My question is simple.
because it's a breakout stocks, so this may move. That is
Correct.
what I.
Exactly. You're right.
Ah,
Breakout means this might move. On what basis you will take entry in F and O?
no idea, bro. You have to tell now.
Then why you are confused when you don't know what to trade?
Ah,
Getting my point?
got it.
Yeah. You are only looking at the breakout scanner में आ गया अब रघु का scanner है just buy it. It is not like that. That is why I don't want to start F&O
Hmm.
quickly. Have you seen the volume? No.
Hmm.
You saw a breakout में scanner में आ गया, you applied Liga and you just wanted to trade and make money. That doesn't work like that, no.
True.
You have to see volume. You have to check what stock option. Have you seen option chain for RBL Bank?
Yeah, I've seen 160.
Option chain for RBL Bank.
Yeah, it was 165 something was there.
No, what is
One
165? I'm talking about option chain. Do you know what is option chain?
option chain. There will be like this one, bro. CE call and put.
No, that is a PCR.
Ah,
Okay, an option chain. Okay, you saw which side was the highest put side or call side?
call side was more.
So then why you want to buy C?
Okay.
So we have
Got
not
it.
done the option class.
Okay.
I am sending one screenshot
No,
to you.
just an example. I'm saying this
No, no, correct.
because
I
same
understand.
scenario with intraday also.
Correct. For everything, you need to understand the options before you're entering into F&O. I sent
Mm-hmm.
you a screenshot. You guys can see that in learning group. There is no entry only in RBL Bank for full day. Whether
Yes.
it is not like that, just it came in a scanner and you need to buy. It is not like that. It doesn't work like that. This is option chain. Now OI. I'm sending you one more screenshot. This is OI. I'm sending you one more screenshot. IV value is too low. Why somebody will enter into the stock? So basically, till
Mm.
the time you understand options, never trade. Okay, if you would have taken intraday, this is not intraday stock because it was a
Correct.
scalping. And
Correct.
one more thing, very important thing that these type of stocks like RBL Bank, SBI Bank, which is in a bigger part of Nifty or Bank Nifty, we never trade such stocks because huge volumes and less volatile stock these are.
Okay.
This will give never give you the good momentum. Have you from last 6 7 months have you ever seen that we are trading बैंक निफ्टी का दो स्टॉक्स, एचडीएफसी बैंक, एक्सिस बैंक, आईसीआईसीआई
Mm,
बैंक. Have you ever seen that I'll give that signal? No,
no.
because there is no volatility. Look at
Sir,
this BSC. BSC was there in a scanner.
Dr. Reddy is also type of stock, but
Yes. देखो BSC was there. Superb momentum. 5 minutes. Okay, let's see Dr. Reddy. So Nagaraj, option trading is something totally different, and you will only enter till you become expert in equity trading.
Yeah, noted, bro. No, just I was keep observing. I was not doing any trading, my friend. Oh,
Start observing equity. That is what I'm saying. Only equity till the time you master in equity.
why I'm asking this, bro? Even the same scenario in the intraday also, what I'm facing. Whenever the intraday
Because it is
stocks comes
not a
up,
full market. Now, example, see, person to
mm,
person it differs. So sorry
mm.
to cut you in between. Ajit ji,
G.
how you managed Angel One stock and how you traded by own?
Angel one, sir, because I see a resistance 2500.
Nahi, is that stock came in a scanner?
No, no, no.
नहीं आया था
Or
scanner
it's
में.
also take a support on trend line.
Correct. No, my question is
वो
that came in a scanner?
ब्रेक करते हुए ले लिया.
स्टॉक स्कैनर में आया था?
नहीं.
नहीं आया था. ये आपका खुद का स्टॉक है.
जी.
आपने एंट्री कहाँ लिया?
एंट्री सर 2500 को ये ग्रीन कैंडल जो बनाया है यहीं पे
इधर.
लिया था. हाँ, इसके नीचे यही
हाँ,
कैंडल
बिकॉज ये
ट्रेड किया मैंने
ब्रेकआउट
बस.
दिया था, इसके लिए लिया
हाँ,
था.
बिल्कुल
ओके.
बिल्कुल, बस यही
हाँ.
लेके निकल गया तो.
और ऐसे आपका टारगेट कहाँ था?
टारगेट सर वही 2500 के जस्ट ऊपर था. तो मैंने यही ग्रीन कैंडल हो गया, ऑफिस के लिए जाना तो मैंने ट्रेड करके निकाल
यही
दिया बस.
12 रुपए आपने किया ये कैंडल में.
स्केल के.
करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली, दिस इज स्कैल्पिंग.
हाँ.
व्हाई
यस.
यू डिडंट होल्ड इट फॉर लॉन्ग?
बिकॉज सर इज आज रहना गुड, क्योंकि दो शुरुआत में ये अच्छे कैंडल बना दिया तो मुझे ये लग रहा था कि ये कहीं यहाँ से रेजिस्टेंस लेके पूरा दिन उसी में निकाल दे, कंसोलिडेट करके, इसलिए जल्दी निकल के मैं बाहर आ गया.
ओके. अभी अभी कोई स्कैनर स्टॉक आपने पकड़ा? कोई स्कैनर स्टॉक के ऊपर आपने काम किया 2-3 दिन में? हेलो. अरे.
हेलो.
हेलो.
जी जी.
कोई स्कैनर का स्टॉक के ऊपर आपने काम किया 2-3 दिन में?
स्कैनर के ऊपर असर नहीं कर पाया.
नहीं कर पाए. कूल. नागराज, नाउ आई हैव आंसर फॉर योर क्वेश्चन.
Ah,
सी, uh let me open scanner and I'll tell you.
today in scanner, lemon hotel was there, bro, in the
which
morning.
which scanner?
Intraday.
So again, you are going for intraday only. Till the time you work on swing setup, you can't
Mm,
manage intraday.
okay.
Lemon Tree Hotel. Now it is not there in a scanner.
No, no, it's not there.
Exactly. Morning MTNL was there.
Ah,
It is still there.
correct.
Correct. Intraday scanner is very clear only for the quick scalping. When you become pro on intraday, because intraday में क्या होता है? If you want to do intraday in stocks, you should buy minimum 5,000 quantity in intraday.
Okay.
Quick 2 rupees you exit. That is called scalping. Same thing. What if goes 2 rupees down? You should have a capacity to lose 10,000 rupees.
Mm,
Before that, I will ask one more question to everyone. In a swing bullish today, there was a stock called Aeroflex.
Correct.
This stock was there yesterday, day before yesterday, last week also. Have you guys observed? अयो इधर था, I just removed it. Sorry, wait. Have you guys observed this stock? This is my
Yes,
question.
yes, I have observed, bro. From
What
three,
happened?
4 times, it was coming in the bullish scanner.
So what happened after that? It was there last to last week. Remember, last week it was there on Friday.
Mm.
This day. This is Monday, 3rd February, Saturday, Friday. On Friday, it was there in a scanner. If one would have bought here, 13% in 5 days. Sorry, 4 days, because Sunday is not there. One more stock was there. I'll show you. Wait, I have old data.
Kamat Total also was there 2 days back.
Yeah, in a breakout picks. This stock was there in both the scanners. Aeroflex. See, this is swing stock. This is not intraday stock. If you're taking intraday, there is no intraday move. MTNL was intraday stock because it came in an intraday scanner. Even MTNL came in intraday. Nagaraj, now you tell me, where is the moment to take entry or exit?
Correct. What happened now, bro? This two candle is big numbers, is there, na? After that, it is coming in the scanner.
Exactly. You remember my first class. Whenever there is a big first candle, that day your trading is not there because it made a big range for a ORB. There is
Uh,
change bound.
Correct.
So you have to trade only above this or below this. Where is the trade setup? There's no trade setup.
Not right setup itself.
You guys remember first day I told this? Now if you are looking at the Sensex, someday Nifty, I tell today range bound, we will not trade. That is why I wanted to answer your question in your own way so you will understand it better. First step is price action. Second step, understanding the base. Third step, understanding the trade setup for ORB. After that, today's class is a EMA. End of the day, once you understand the support and resistance or CPR levels in Liga, when this all 5 parameters ke baad, you will come back to the sixth parameter RSI crossover. Today RSI also was there. It overbought it. After that whole day, there is no trade. Once all this done, you will decide whether you need to take entry or not. If it is a F&O stock, now it's an angel one. Let's open 5 minutes chart. Let's see. This is a ORB. Again, there was no entry for us to take within this zone. That is what I told when Ajit replied in group Angel One. I said no entry. Entry both dur ho gaya, bhag gaya entry. Now I will see my Liga. There was already see if I would have got this entry, very small target, and this is what he did as per me. Correct, Ajit? ये आपने किया था इतना. उसके बाद there was no
Yes,
target.
sir.
There was no
Yes,
trading
sir. Yes.
ability because see even RSI was also was not there. It is already in overbought zone. There is no setup. So not jumping directly on the trade setup. You need a proper setup. Let's see a different one more. Let's see Nifty if that is the case. Today there was no setup.
Bajaj Finance, bro.
That is yesterday's stock.
No, today also in the scanner is there.
स्कैनर में 3 days पहले आया था and Ajit already shared the analysis on that and it actually moved as per that.
Hmm.
Bajpin. Hmm. Today, maybe there was no trade on Bajaj Finance, but yesterday there was amazing trade in Bajaj Finance. See today, big candle. There is no trade. Where is the trade setup?
Sir, according to me, if a stock in first 5 to 10 minutes make a good green two candle, और अगर उन्हीं के बीच कंसोलिडेट करता रहता है ना तो कोई ट्रेड बनता ही नहीं है। उनका
एग्जैक्टली
ब्रेकआउट
देखो
देना
आज का
चाहिए
दिन है,
तब
दिस इज
ट्रेड
व्हाट
बनता
व्हाट
है।
वी वर डिस्कसिंग। आज का दिन देखो अजीत जी, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट, ये आपका ओआरबी है आज का।
यस सर।
ओके, ये 5 मिनट में देखो, ये 9:15, ये आपका ओआरबी। आज ट्रेड ही नहीं है ना, इधर इधर ब्रेकआउट चाहिए और ब्रेकडाउन चाहिए। बट मैं कल का दिन देखूं, कल का नहीं, सॉरी, परसों का दिन था, करेक्ट। यस, आपने,
परसों का डे
हाँ, आपने भेजा
सीट
था,
के।
ये देखो, ये देखो, सुपर्ब सेटअप मिला था। दिस इज 9:15 का कैंडल, टॉप बॉटम एंट्री, करेक्ट, ये एंट्री था। एंट्री को मैं
यस यस।
ग्रीन करता हूं, सो समझ में आए यहाँ देखने में। अभी आप लीगा डालोगे, फर्स्ट टारगेट, सेकंड टारगेट, बस काफी है ना। व्हाट एल्स यू वांट? इफ यू आर वर्किंग ऑन दिस ईएमए आल्सो, यू कैन ट्रेल, कीप ऑन ट्रेलिंग। Nagaraj, see this, there is a crossover also,
Correct, correct.
and there is a very good volume generated. So after the 6 7 parameters, when you're taking a trade, then that makes sense. You need a proper setup. You might not get the same setup every day, but whenever you are getting the trade setup, you have to stick to that.
ORB, I need to consider 5 minutes I low or 15 minutes, bro.
You can use 15 minutes also, you can use 5 minutes also, it
So
depends.
which is right way?
See, if you are using 15 minutes, you will not get the entry whole day.
Correct, correct.
Now this is
So
15
5 minutes.
minutes. First candle, second
Uh,
candle,
uh,
third candle. So maybe you will never get entry on that day. So always use 5 minutes.
okay,
5 minutes ka 3 candles. That is 15 minutes. So first 15 minutes you will not trade.
okay.
That is what I meant to say. In a swing trading, you can see 1 hour candle also. This is the daily time frame. See Bajaj Finance is giving all time high. Overbought zone, green candles. RSI might come down. Let's see Liga what it is saying. Till the time, guys, if you are not expert in swing or equity trading, other it is, you can't enter in intraday. That is 100% sure. So please make sure that you practice. So by looking at the chart, you will understand whether you need to take an entry or not. Example, Ajit today took the entry in Angel One. That is just by his own entry. So, but I'm 100% sure that he used this learning. Otherwise, the entry was impossible because I didn't took the entry because I have not seen that stock at all. Now see on the CPR, it is trading today's day candle, correct?
Yeah, bro.
So it is not an entry yet, but this was a breakout entry. Day before yesterday, what entry you got? Your target was here and target is reached. If you're taking a BTST like swing trade, 1 day ka. This was a good 6% is a good money in 1 day. Any other questions? Cool. So EMA is basically what you need to learn. EMA will help you to trail. Now, if you're taking a swing trade, also see, you would have taken an entry example here based on this volume breakout. And if this stock is in a swing or a booster or giving a breakout above the CPR levels, and as per the rule of CPR, you must have seen this CPR above another CPR is created on Saturday, 1st February. It means that particular stock is more bullish. So you would have taken entry here, still your SL was somewhere here. Still, you can keep training your SL. Even in stock, also you can keep training your SL. Most of the people in a swing trading, we don't keep stop loss because we diversify our capital in a different way. But yeah, if some people want to keep a stop loss, you can still trail with the moving averages. So EMA is very, very important to figure out whether your trade setup is right or not, how to trail. So what I suggest everyone that start trading with one stock if you want to learn. So you know exactly how to manage that, how to, because you're not taking any bigger risk. One single stock, that is more than enough. So you will understand it better and faster when you invest your real money.
कल से करता हूँ सर।
Yes. सो सिंगल स्टॉक कर लो, इट इज इजी बिकॉज आपको इजीली पता चल जाएगा हाउ टू मैनेज, हाउ टू हैंडल इट. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? नो क्वेश्चन?
सर 200
200 अभी नहीं चाहिए.
ईएमए का यूज।
अभी नहीं चाहिए 200. 100 इज मोर देन इनफ. 200 फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म होल्डिंग पीपल.
ओके
ओके, 200 इज फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म. लाइक आपको एक स्टॉक 6 मंथ पकड़ना है, 1 ईयर पकड़ना है, सो यू नीड टू सी 200. 21, 50, 100 is more than enough.
21 for intraday and 50 for swing, right? No, bro.
Yes.
And 100?
100 is also for swing.
Okay.
These three are very important. Even in intraday, I use 100, 50, 21, everything. So
Okay.
there is a different perspective of looking at it. That is why when you start practicing in a practical mode, you will understand the importance of each one.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. Mastan, any questions? You're very silent.
No, bro. No. My HR is here, so I'm quite.
Oh, okay. Okay. Cool, Ajit.
कूल सर। सर 6 ईएमए का भी जिक्र किया है सर, उसका कोई यूज?
उसका अभी नहीं, ऑप्शन करते हैं ना तब सिखाता हूँ.
ओके ओके सर।
वो 6 और 9 है, दैट इज फॉर ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग.
ओके सर।
ओके. बिकॉज ज्यादा मैं सिखाता हूँ ना, आप ज्यादा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो बिकॉज सबको ऑप्शन करना है. दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम. कब तक इक्विटी में एक्सपर्ट
एग्जैक्टली
होगे
सर।
तब तक ऑप्शन में नहीं घुसना है बिकॉज इक्विटी में स्टॉप लॉस होता है 10 रुपया. एफ एंड ओ में स्टॉप लॉस होता है 10,000. सोचो.
सर
सही है ना? कूल देन.
बिल्कुल सही है सर।
Cool, then we'll wind up and we'll come back next class. So EMA का practice करो. The
सर
moment you
इन्वेस्टिंग
start
डॉट
practice, sorry.
इन्वेस्टिंग डॉट ऐप यूज किया सर। इन्वेस्टिंग वो वाला ऐप सर डाउनलोड कराया था, उसका कुछ?
हाँ, उसका मैं बताता हूँ, मैं मैसेज में ही बताता हूँ, डोंट वरी.
ओके
ओके. ओके. सो EMA practice करो. The moment you practice EMA, you will have a lot of questions. Then you ask me, I'll help you in a live market. Cool then, guys. We'll catch up. Thank you. I'll try to convert this recording and I'll send it in group.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
All the best. Good night, guys.
गुड नाइट सर।